Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 12-inch Android screen in a 2019 Cadillac Escalade. And also we did the menu same as Cadillac, so it's exact same menu like the front unit in blue theme. These are all the apps. And it comes with USB SD card and HDMI input, so you can play downloaded movies as well. And you can see how nice it fits. And these are ultra slim Android screens. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.